And welcome back. So we kept a good amount of cloud coverage, made our way through the day today. Partly to mostly cloudy skies, although we did warm up even under the clouds into the lower 80s. That's where we are as of right now. And it was pretty humid out there. That dew point has made it up to 73. We say 70 is oppressive levels of humidity. That's tropical. Wind southeast around 10 miles per hour. That easterly component really doing its job, increasing the moisture across the region. So now that we do have a lot of moisture, the air with the moisture in it does not warm up as quickly. So we are staying into the lower 80s at Broken Bow, Lexington, and Valentine, where they are drier. Out toward Ogallala, they are warmer with current temperature near 90, and into the Panhandle you see some more temperatures near 90 degrees. Here's a look at the wind, still southeasterly around 10 to 20 miles per hour. And as for the severe weather risk, as you make your way from, say, Hyannis, Mullen points off to the north into Cherry County out toward Gordon, do have a slight risk, but the storms are starting to move into that marginal risk area, and they are starting to weaken, but there could be one or two severe storms tonight anywhere in the green. And for tomorrow, it looks like late in the afternoon some storms could initiate over us. We think out toward the Tri-Cities and into portions of eastern Nebraska is the best chance of some severe weather, not over us. So here's a look at what we have right now. First off, most of the viewing area just has the partly to mostly cloudy skies, but there's a couple of areas of severe storms, one just off to the east of the Sydney area, and we're tracking this one. This is a severe storm producing about quarter-sized hail, 60-mile-per-hour winds. Watch out in the Hyannis area, but this storm has been weakening too. It's been producing some very large hail in portions of rural western Cherry County. As it gets near Hyannis, it is weakening, so that's good. Now, this low-pressure system once again over us, so we have been in this active weather pattern, but pretty soon you're going to see these low-pressure systems move well off to the north. So that is going to heat us up even more, but reduce the chances of some severe weather. So this low continues to work its way up to the east, warm sector for a little while longer before we have a little bit of a cool down, a little more of a northerly wind on the way. So as we make our way through later on in the evening, there is a possibility of some very isolated storms, but most of us, it looks like, stay dry, especially from the I-80 corridor points off to the south. We stay very warm, low 70s for this evening, mid 60s during the overnight, and then as we go through the day tomorrow, there's your storms either initiating in our eastern counties or out of the viewing area. Now, we will have highs once again into the lower 80s, so below average, and then we'll do it all again on Thursday. Thursday, storms will be likely, especially into the evening, as temperatures will fall back. Some of us not really making it out of the 70s for highs across the region. So, a couple more days, that low is over us, but here comes some cool air as we finish out the work week. But going into the weekend, high pressure is going to work its way off to the east, and we're really going to start to warm up with a very strong southerly flow. So temperatures on their way down. Thursday and Friday, we're going to be near 80. We'll keep the chance of rain at 30% on Wednesday and 50% for the day on Thursday. And then after that, that jet stream moves to the north, so we get in the hot air, lots of sunshine, 90 on Saturday, sunny skies Sunday at 94, and 97 on Monday, mostly sunny, up to 98 as we keep that 0% chance of moisture for Tuesday with partly cloudy skies. Kent?
Yeah, really enjoying the weather for this week because it really heats up next week.
You know, it does heat up next week, but we're going to lose the moisture chances.
All right. Thanks so much, Justin. And coming up, Husker Football Hall of Fame announced their 2023 class of inductees. And we check in on the FNBO Nationals as they look to earn a spot in Wednesday's championship game over in Grand Island. Sports is next on News 2.
Wish you had help getting things